How to fix this account is currently locked error on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such error on your TikTok, whether you're using Android or iOS, so it's a simple solution. The first thing what you need to do is just head over to any of your browser and simply search in for TikTok feedback, and just search in, click on this feedback and help. So once you're inside here, just scroll down and click on this account and setting option and simply click on this login option. And since we are not able to log into our account, or because of the error that is account is currently logged in, so I'll just simply tap on this suspended account and click on no and click on need more help over here. So now once you're inside here, you just have to describe your issue. So as you can see, I have described my issue over here just like this, saying hello TikTok team, as you were unable to log into my account due to the error condition this. Although I haven't violated any terms and condition of TikTok, so you just have to ask for them to help you, and by providing your email and username as well. And you can also provide some of the evidence as a screenshot over here and click on submit, and they will be redirecting or contacting you for the fix inside 24 hours. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.